How to get a refund on Temu without returning. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily get a refund on your Temu. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Temu app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So there are a few things that you need to know first. In order to do the refund on without returning policy, the item has to be really small or insignificant, where it the cost of it returning would be more than your refund. So in that case, Temu will let you have that product. So what you're going to have to do is, after making sure that you have that kind of product with you, tap on the U section at the bottom, tap on the headphone icon for support at the top right. And once you get to the support page, just wait for a bit. Now you will see all of these available help articles. Now you just scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on the contact us button. So from here, what you can do is, this is an AI chatbot. So you can just type in, "Can I get a refund?" Hit enter. Now they will show you a pop-up. So from here, you may have multiple accounts, and the current accounts you may not be used to place any order. Therefore, you'd like to kindly recommend to correct the account to find your order. Basically, it's what it's saying is, from here, I haven't placed any orders from this account, so it's asking me to sign into other account. If you just go ahead and tap on the option, if you have placed any orders, just select the order and then further talk with them on how you can get a refund. Then they should give you some help on how you can get it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.